Welcome to SQ Tech Lab YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to make drop shadow effect in Photoshop. Click on Text tool, color black. Now write your text here. Adjust text size and position. And then draw a rectangle like this. Place it behind the text layer. Adjust its corner from here. Also, you can adjust them from the Properties panel. Well, one thing more. Let's remove this black stroke from here. Fantastic. Now go to Layer Style and click on Drop Shadow. Here, change opacity, angle, shadow distance, spread, and size according to your rectangle. You can keep opacity 56, distance 41, spread 21, and size 70. When you finish, press OK. Now right-click on Drop Shadow and choose Create Layer. Now we do have the shadow on different layer. Press Ctrl and T for transform the shadow layer. We can move the shadow also. Undo the move. Right-click and choose Warp. Now let's adjust the corners like this. Follow these steps. Press Enter. Let's move the shadow a little. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, like this video and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for our next video and take care.